Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 16th of February 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirant. Okay, so now question number 1. Which insurance firm recently teamed with Visa to provide Visa Platinum card holders customized insurance coverage for chosen BSPS? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is HDFC Agro General Insurance. So recently the HDFC Agro General Insurance has partnered with Visa to offer insurance cover for a platinum card holders of Visa for selected PSBs. So the fraud insurance cover is up to rupees 1 lakh will be offered under the policy. Okay, do remember the headquarter of HDFC Agro General Insurance situated in Mumbai, and the MD and CEO of HDFC Agro General Insurance name as Ritesh Kumar. Okay, so now question number 2. Who has recently authored a book titled How to Prevent the Next Pandemic, which will be published this year in May 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Bill Gates. So recently the book title How to Prevent the Next Pandemic has authored by Bill Gates will be published this year in May 2022. So in this book, Bill Gates has written about specific steps that can only stop future pandemic, but in the process provide better healthcare for everyone around the world. Okay, so now question number 3. Who has been appointed as a new CEO and MD of Air India recently? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is ICAI. So recently ICAI has been appointed as a new CEO and MD of Air India. He will assume his responsibility on or before 1st of April on the year 2022. So basically, Iker Ayasi is a former chairman of Turkish Airlines. Iker is an aviation industry leader who lead Turkish Airlines to its current success during his tenure. Okay, so now question number 4. Which shipyard has been convicted by the Central Bureau of Investigation, also known as CBI, for a financial fraud of rupees 22,842 crores? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is ABG Shipyard. So recently the Central Bureau of Investigation has booked ABG Shipyard for an alleged rupees 22,842 crores financial fraud. So ABG Shipyard is a flagship entity of ABG Group. It has seated a custodian of 28 banks and financial institution of rupees 22,842 crores. This is the biggest bank fraud case ever registered by the CBI. So basically the case pretend to fraud cotton and misuse during the year 2012 to 2017. So Rishi Agarwal, the CMD of ABG Shipyard, has been named in the FIR. Okay, so now let's talk about some important takeaways for all competitive exam. So the headquarters of ABG Shipyard situated in Mumbai and it is founded on year 1985. Okay, so now question number 5. Which state governor recently announced the establishment of a QR code based system for the certification and labeling of handmade carpets in the Union Territory? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Jammu and Kashmir. So recently Jammu and Kashmir Governor Manoj Sinha has launched a QR code based mechanism for certification and labeling of handmade carpets of the Union Territory. So the QR based application, which is the first of kind in the country, customer can check and verify the authenticity and other requisite detail of the carpet produced in the Jammu and Kashmir. Read an official statement from the administration. Apart from that, Manoj Sinha also facilitated UTS award of handcrafts and handlooms. So basically, Jammu and Kashmir handcrafts are repositories of India's creative tradition that are serving as a cultural expression. Okay, so now question number 6. Who recently was appointed as Vice President of the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Ankit Sunil Talati. So recently the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India has elected CA Debashis Mitra as a president and CA Ankit Sunil Talati as a Vice President for the year 2022 to 2023. Now question number 8. What is the name of the Yes Bank initiative to collaborate on the development of digital financial solution for the agriculture sector? So the correct answer of this question is option number D, that is Yes Bank Agri Infinity. So recently the Yes Bank has launched the Yes Bank Agri Infinity program. So basically it is an annual startup enable program that aims to co-develop digital financial solution for the agriculture sector. It will grant monitorship to entrepreneur ventures associated with food and agriculture. Thus, it is termed as the Agri FinTech Enable program. So basically, the agri-based startups are invited to take the benefit of program, and the eligible ones will be granted the benefit frame under this program. So, upon taking the benefit of this program, the agri-based startup will be able to implement solution across the agriculture value chain. Okay, so do remember the headquarters of Yes Bank situated in Mumbai. Okay, so now tell me what is the tagline of Yes Bank? Please write your answer in the comment section. Okay, so now question number 9. Which organization has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Common Service Centers to provide skill development service to youth in India's remote and rural area? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is National Skill Development Corporation. So recently, the National Skill Development Corporation have signed MOU to deliver service related to skills development program to the youths living in remote and rural part of India. So basically, the Common Service Center will perform the role of skill task unit at village level, and it will generate awareness about various skills and their development program among the youth. So basically, the National Skill Development Corporation will identify the skill seekers and will grant them opportunity to learn skills. So the village level entrepreneurs will work with Common Service Center to identify youths performing registration and link them to the appropriate training department to seek skills training. Okay, so now last question. Ayana Renewable Power Private Limited has partnered with which entity to supply standalone storage capacity for the development of firm and distribute energy, renewable energy solution? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Greenco Group. So recently the ION is owned by National Investment and Infrastructure Fund. They have partnered to provide standalone storage capacity to develop firm and dispatchable renewable energy solution. They will generate a power supply of up to rupees 1 gigawatt. So basically they have stored 6 gigawatt hour of power in hydro pump storage plant. These plants will be developed by the Greenco Group. So basically their partnership will provide round the clock green energy to the users industry and electricity distribution company. Okay. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this session. These were the important news and events for today which are related to the business, economics and financial sector. We meet again with some more important current affairs. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and please do not forget to subscribe GK Today.